Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, guys, we're going to be creating a centerpiece vase. Okay, so let me show you. Let's jump into the video, guys, so I can show you what we're using, and also everything I am using to create this craft is down in the description box below, guys. So we're going to be using these two tall glasses. This I got where the glassware is. We're going to be using two of these for our craft today. Then in the front of the store you have, well, we had, I don't know if we have them anymore, we had this apple in the front of the store. They had them in white and red. We're going to be using the white one, only the bottom half for the craft, okay? Then we'll be using, I got this from the party section, this party ball. Okay, they had it also in the iridescent at one time, but the clear one is just fine. We're going to be using one of those. Now, I did want to talk to you about this wrap I'm going to be using. Okay, it is a gemstone wrap. It's from BeebeeCrafts, and they have a large website, guys. You need to go over there and check them out. I ordered 3 items from them. They have a YouTube program, guys. I'm going to link that below. And you only need 100 subscribers. Now you can go on their website, pick 3 items, and I had my items, guys, within a week. So for more information, go ahead and go to the description box below, and you'll get the details, guys. Okay, so this is the gem wrap, and this is a wrap I never used, and that's why I got it, because I've never used this wrap, and I'm absolutely loving this, guys. So I also got the silver chain, but this is the gold one, because this is the one we'll be using today. So isn't that gorgeous? Guys, this is like so gorgeous. So I got this one in the gold, but I also got one in the silver. Now I'm also using the rose mesh. So the rose mesh I ordered on Amazon, but I will be getting that from BeebeeCrafts, guys. But anyway, in the rose mesh, okay, I got the silver one. So in the rose mesh you have indentations. So in those I put pearls. Okay, so that's what we'll be using. That's what all this stuff is over here. Now what I did was I cut the mesh wrap in several sizes. So the first size is 4. Okay, and I'm going to be gluing them down in a diamond shape. So I made a set in 4, and then I made a set in 9. See how much bigger that is? Okay. Then I also made long strips, and like I said, I did it ahead of time for time's sake, and so I made strips with the pearls also. Now I also went back and I did strips in the diamond. I wasn't sure if I wanted to incorporate them or not, but just in case I do, let me show you a couple of them so you can see what they look like. Okay, that's what those look like. So the other ones have pearls, and I made a few with diamonds. Okay, I cut out strips of the colors. Like I didn't use all of the wrap. I just cut out the strips of the color. So you have this gold, you have this purple, you have pink, and you have this turquoise blue. I'm absolutely loving, and the purple too. I'm just absolutely loving the colors, guys. So we're going to incorporate that in our project for today. So let's jump into it. And so we're going to work with one item at a time, and then we'll do the gluing in the end. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to use the Beacon 527 glue, which you can get this at the Walmart, guys, or I can use the locktye clear silicone. I like them both, so I'll decide in the end which one I'm going to use. We'll just leave that aside. So again, we're going to do all of the embellishing first, and then in the end we'll glue everything together. That's how we're going to do that. All right. So I'm just going to move these here. Now because you see these have waves, and you see the waves in the dish, so we're going to do just a little bit of embellishing in between that. So let's get started here, guys. And I am going to be using the wrap for that, and they're all in different sizes, so they're not all going to be the same. You see what I mean? This is just to give you an idea of what I want to do. Okay? opposite that and do the other one. Okay guys, so this is what that looks like so far. The glue strings I'll wipe off later on. So I put a strip at 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. Okay, now in between those I'm going to start embellishing with the pearl strips. So let's hold up like this. This is what we have so far. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else to that right now, so I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Just like that. So I don't want to do too much to it. We're going to place that aside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sit down, guys. I'm going to go and get all of the embellishing done, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, look how beautiful she is. She is absolutely gorgeous. So let's recap what I did. Okay, now on the bottom here, we put some of the strips of the gem wrap. Okay, we also put some strips of the rose mesh with the pearls. So we went all the way around that bottom bowl, and that bowl became the stand to my vase. We used the two glasses. Okay, and in between we used the apple, the bottom part of the apple, to join those together. Then I glued all three together, and I used, I decided to go with the Loctite clear silicone glue. Guys, this works very well for especially something that's going outdoors. It seals very well. You don't have to worry about it. Not that this is going outdoors, but I decided to go ahead and use it because it dries clear. So that's all really that I did as far as the gluing goes. So I did the gluing in layers. So you want to make sure you do the glass. Then I went ahead and put the bottom half of the apple. Now everything was decorated prior to me gluing. I showed that to you. So we did it in steps. After all of the mesh wrap and the gemstones and the embellishing was done, then we went in layers and we glued, and I used the silicone to glue each part together. Now I'm not going to move this because it needs time to dry. So guys, I needed to show you the florals, guys. So let me show you what I have here. Now you know that I absolutely love magnolias, guys. So I grabbed a bunch of magnolias. Some of them are the plain white. Some of them have the little hints of pink. And so that's what we're going to embellish the top of this vase. So guys, if you like the video, click like, share, comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? Come on, that looks so nice. I love it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.